Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Enchanted Indonesia, your ultimate guide to the most jaw-dropping, mind-blowing, and absolutely magical destinations across Indonesia. If you're dreaming of pristine beaches, lush jungles, hidden waterfalls, and once-in-a-lifetime adventures, you're in the right place. Trust me, Indonesia is way more than just Bali. So, grab your passport, hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss what's coming next, and let's dive right in.
Alright, picture this. You're chilling on a beach, drink in hand, the sky turning into this crazy mix of orange, pink and purple, and the sun slowly dipping into the ocean. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in Bali, this dream happens every single evening. But not all sunset spots are created equal. Some are famous, some are hidden gems, and some will straight up make you rethink your entire life. So if you want to catch the best sunset views in Bali, stick around. I've got 6 insane spots you don't want to miss. Let's go. First up, we've got Uluwatu Temple. And trust me, this place isn't just about sunsets. It's a whole experience. This ancient Balinese sea temple sits 70 metres above the ocean, on a dramatic cliffside that looks straight out of a movie. Now, the real magic happens right before sunset, when the famous Kecak fire dance kicks off. Imagine this, local performers chanting "chak chak chak" in unison. The sun setting behind them and flames lighting up the night. It's like watching a scene from an epic myth unfold in real time. Pro tip, watch out for the mischievous monkeys. They're not just cute, they're criminal masterminds when it comes to snatching sunglasses and snacks. Next on the list is Tanah Lot. Probably Bali's most famous sunset spot, and for good reason. This temple literally sits on a rock in the middle of the ocean, and when the tide is high, it looks like it's floating. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I gotta warn you, this place gets packed around sunset, but if you walk a little further along the coastline, you can actually find quieter spots with just as epic views. Oh, and grab a fresh coconut from one of the stalls nearby. Nothing beats sipping on one, watching the sky turn into a masterpiece. Alright, let's talk about Karangboma Cliff. AKA Uluwatu's best kept secret. While everyone's squeezing into Uluwatu Temple, this hidden gem offers the same epic sunset views, but with way fewer people. The cliffs here are insanely tall, like 100 metres straight down to the ocean. Standing at the edge gives you that main character in a dramatic movie kind of feeling. You know, the type where you rethink your whole life and feel like you should start journaling or something. Just don't get too close to the edge, because trust me, gravity in Bali is very real. Sunset plus fresh seafood? Yes, please. If that sounds like your vibe, then Jimbaran Beach is where you need to be. Here's the deal, you grab a seat at one of the beachfront seafood cafes, order a plate of grilled fish, prawns and squid, all caught fresh that morning, and watch the sun set over the ocean as you dig in. It's basically dinner and a show, Bali style. Bonus tip, if you want to go all out, try the Jimbaran seafood platter, it's legendary. Just don't blame me if you end up in a food coma afterward. Okay, this one's for my off-the-beaten-path travellers. Amed Beach is way up in northeast Bali. And instead of just an ocean sunset, you get a volcano sunset. Yep, the sunset's right behind Mount Agung, and it's a whole different kind of breathtaking. This spot is super chill compared to the tourist-packed beaches down south. You'll find fishermen bringing in their last catch of the day, locals strolling along the shore, and some of the best diving and snorkeling spots nearby. If you're into laid-back, authentic Bali vibes, Amed's gonna steal your heart. Last but not least, we've got Balangan Beach. A classic surfer's paradise and one of Bali's most photogenic sunset spots. It's got a long stretch of golden sand, crystal clear waves, and a clifftop viewpoint that's perfect for watching the sunset. If you're feeling adventurous, grab a bintang beer from one of the beach shacks, kick back, and just soak it all in. And if you're a surfer, this is one of Bali's best waves, so you can literally catch a wave while watching the sunset. Talk about multitasking at its finest. So there you have it, 6 insane sunset spots in Bali that'll make your Instagram feed jealous. Whether you're into cliffside views, beachfront vibes, or hidden gems, Bali's got something for everyone. Which of these spots would you hit first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you're planning a Bali trip, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more epic travel guides. Until next time, keep chasing those sunsets.